How do you reduce costs and improve quality on complicated parts produced in low quantities? Hand welding is tedious, inconsistent, and requires skilled operators. But automated equipment is too expensive for just a few hundred parts a day. Right. This semi-automated system can weld 4 parts per minute. This part requires an airtight seal without damaging heat-sensitive components inside. Water-cooled copper tooling is used to keep welding heat localized. A custom-designed rotor union supplies water and air to the rotating tooling. The DT100 arc welding control allows the user to program welding parameters such as pre-flow time, initial current and time, upslope time, arc pulsing including peak current, background current, pulse width and frequency, downslope time, final time and current, and post-flow time. In addition to the power supply, the DT100 can run 2 external devices. In this case, it controls a power supply and a motor speed control. The SCS-102 provides stable servo motor speed control. The SCS-102 can be controlled remotely by a DT100, or it can be used as a standalone manual motor control. The tooling and torch movements are controlled by a PLC with an easy-to-use operator pendant. PWS can build a wide variety of tooling and controls to fill customer needs from simple manual fixtures to fully automated high-volume production machines. PWS specializes in developing automated and semi-automated equipment to improve weld quality, consistency, and speed, and lower overall production cost. Interfacing industry-standard equipment with our line of welding controls and application-specific tooling allows us to build systems that meet customers' unique production and budgetary goals. Contact Process Welding Systems with your specific TIG or plasma application.